Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. At this point, the Australian dollar is attempting to stage a further recovery since Friday's gains. However, I do expect to see any advances towards 85 and firmer above at 76.30 to foul and possibly see a strong rejection from there. It is viewed that while the technical implications are bearish, that I'll be looking for a move towards the lower side of the range, which comes in at 75.35 with the trigger level at 75.0515 and reassess from there. With a slight weaker US dollar on Friday and also to the start of this week may continue on, the euro will look towards 112.30 as the immediate target. I do expect to see beyond there to fail and potentially see a reversal and look back towards a 111.40 as immediate support. Beneath there holds the bullish foundations at 110.70 and reassess from there. Well, dollar yen is pretty much still trading sideways in a consolidation pattern and looking at this stage to challenge the support at 110.80 due to the recent weakness of the US dollar. Now, although we could see that level potentially hold, if breached, would see firmer demand coming in at 110.35.45. It is from that region of the 110 that I expect to see a recovery and take out the 111.50 to 111.90 resistance and look up towards 112.50 and reassess from there. Well, the Great British Pound is attempting to stage further recovery, but I feel towards 127.70.80 to foul, and with the risk of falling towards 126.40 with minus support seen at 126.70. And it is viewed that the pound would lose further gains from last week and look towards possibly the 125 to 124 region. Gold outlook is still relatively bullish, and I expect to see further gains for the start of this week, with the target coming in at 1,260.62 to 66. Now, from 66 could see a reversal and look back towards the downside, with the support seen at 12.47 to 49, but firmer, and I do expect to see a bullish challenge and hold from 12.39 to 41. But from the technical implications, we should still see further upside tests in the next 3 days. And wrapping up with oil, the market is attempting to stage a further advance, with the technical implications from the stochastic supporting a bullish crossover. Could see a move up towards 43.5 to $44 a barrel. In light of the broader picture, though, I expect to see the market reject from that region and look back towards 41.5 and eventually looking down towards the region coming in at $35 a barrel. But that is longer term view. So I still expect to see the market to sell into strength and, as I say, eventually see the oil break down. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.